Shalom, and happy morning to you. At this very moment, the people of Israel are scattered in purpose, just as they are physically scattered throughout the world. We do not agree on many things, nor do we see Yah in the same light or serve him in the same way. Our interpretations of Scripture vary, and our hearts are as far from unifying on simple matters as East is from West. But despite all this, Yah's master plan is to address and correct these very issues. Those who possess a heart to serve Yah now, even though our efforts are muddled and varied, will be able to serve him in fullness and unity, renewed in spirit. Yah, through the prophet Ezekiel, attests to this. Therefore say, Thus says Yah Elohim, I will gather you from the peoples and assemble you out of the countries where you have been scattered, and I will give you the land of Israel. And when they come there, they will remove from it all its detestable things and all its abominations. And I will give them one heart, and a new spirit I will put within them. I will remove the heart of stone from their flesh and give them a heart of flesh, that they may walk in my statutes and keep my rules and obey them. And they shall be my people, and I will be their Elohim. Ezekiel 11, verses 17 to 20.